Hi there, so if you're watching this video, you're probably wondering which offer you should choose as an affiliate on Clickbank. Now, there are many different offers that you can choose from. You can go in different categories, different niches, but one of the most important things you see as an affiliate you have to keep in mind is you have to choose the evergreen niches where people are willingly handing their money hand over fist every single day. As you can see, if you have the right offer, right? If you have the right offer in the place which is high quality, first it's going to enable you to have a lower refund rates or no refunds at all. So it must be first of all high quality, right? You can make sure by that by checking that the offer works well for customer at the end, right? And then also that it has at least $100 benchmark. What I mean by that, you see, if your offer is having at least $100 per sale, then it means that you can start having $1,000 days with only 10 sales or 5 sales per day. Now why? Because if you have upsells, right, the front end sales are basically those small sales when the person purchases the first product. And after that, most Clickbank products, right, most affiliate marketing offers have also upsells for $200 or even $400 per sale. So you can make a lot more money from the same customer that you referred using Google Ads or Facebook Ads, right, or email marketing, your email list, to start generating those sales from the same customer over and over again. And this creates passive income. This creates your recurring commissions as an affiliate, and that is where the riches is, where the wealth is, in recurring commissions. So make sure you choose the right offer, right? Once you have the right offer, you can go around everywhere around the world, like you see over here right now in Vietnam, and you can have a lot more success if you follow these simple principles, these simple fundamentals of having the right offer and also having the right traffic source. Now you see there are many different traffic sources. You have Facebook ads, you have Instagram, you have Twitter, you have TikTok, you have Google, right? Many different options. So what I would suggest you is stick with one traffic source. Now we are doing Facebook ads and we are doing Google ads, right? So you can choose any of those. So if you're watching this video and if you want to know exactly how to get traffic to your blog, to your affiliate site, to your landing page, how to create it, how to get your website up and running and start having success with affiliate marketing, then click below this video. There are links, so click the links below this video so you can reach me out on social media and ask me any questions you want about Clickbank, about affiliate marketing, about how to start having success online as an affiliate. So thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.